Hi, let's continue with Vue.js single-page application. Open the icon library and get the icon. Copy the SVG and paste it in the icon component. Let's check this component in the left menu. Aha. You know, all the SVG icons are much the same. The only variable part is the d-parameter of the path element. Extract this parameter to the key value object. Replace the d parameter with the property name. Then get the SVG path from the key value object icon.js. Copy and paste paths for other icons. Now we have a list of SVG icons and we can get the icon by name. An icon button is an icon with on-click event handler. Let's build the icon button component. Add an icon component to the template. The name and the on-click event handler will be obtained from the props. The color property will be needed to change the button style. Finally, build the ToolBar component. The ToolBar is a list of icon buttons. We need the v4 construction to iterate over the menu list. This list we will get from the menu property. The icon name will be used as an iteration key. Each icon button has a name to get the icon and the onClick handler. Let's check it out. Add the toolbar to the home component. The toolbar is working, and that's good. That's all. Thank you for watching to the end. In the next video, we will continue to create the VueJS application.